What's up everybody? Welcome back to the Good View Woodworks channel. My name is Nathan, and in this video we're going over the failure that I had in the last video. Well, not the exact last video, but a couple videos before this, where we took a pallet and we turned it into this awesome coffee table.
At the end of this video, I'm going to place this table up on eBay,
which I will link in the description below if you want to go check that out, or you can click the card right up here. This is going to be different because I went on Facebook Marketplace and I went and I grabbed this piece of furniture right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to take a pallet and we're going to modify this piece right here and see if we can't flip it, sell it for a little bit more. Let's do that. So I feel like I kind of got duped because this thing is not real wood. And I didn't know that until I drove all the way out. It was like 45 minutes. I drove to the guy's house to pick this up specifically for this video. And it looks real, but it's about as real as a sticker, okay? But what it did have, which is some cool features, has this sliding top, which I really like. As you can see, it's fake barn wood. It's just a sticker, perfectly smooth, even though it looks like it has saw marks in it. This thing came right off the sawmill. Yeah, right. So I think the plan of action for this thing would be to remove this top, remove the very bottom, and remake the lid and the little skirt around the bottom to, you know, make it a little bit more interesting. What do you think? So first things first, we're gonna go ahead and take this off and see what we got here. There's that. I'm gonna go ahead and mark where that ended, so that way I know when I go to make my new one where this goes. All right, I want to know what these are for. And I'll show you what I mean by these things here in just a second. What are those for? Let's see.
Ray, come here. What is it?
Looky there. It unlocks everything. This was probably some Walmart furniture. What do you think? Well, that's cool, because that means I can just copy all these sizes and remake it. Now I'm gonna get to that shelf and then I'll finish it up. Okay, so what I do have is these two pallets. I got this pallet and that pallet right there. And we're gonna use this one, which I got some epoxy on, and that one, which I got a big slab on, and we're gonna use those two pallets to come up with something for the top. Sound good? All right, let's go ahead and break this down and, you know, we'll get to it. All right. Oh, jeez. You know what? I think we'll just use a little bit of YouTube magic for this one. That was pretty cool. I didn't know if that would work. Where's the wood at? Okay, So now that we have all those boards, let's go ahead and mill them up. We're gonna send them through the planer right here, and then we will joint one edge on the joiner, and then we will run it through the table saw. All right, once the milling is done, we can go ahead and glue and screw them together and get these tops remade. Apply some finish. And I don't know what I want to do yet, but I took the bottom off right there. I wonder if I should make 4 square feet and lift it up off the floor a little bit instead of having the whole skirt go all the way around. Leave me a comment, tell me what you think, yay or nay. All right, let's get to some milling. Okay, so now that we have all of our boards cut, as you can see, they have straight edges now. We're gonna lay them out here to get them glued up. This is the old panel, so we're gonna kind of mimic the old panel and, you know, do something with this, but this is the size we need. As you see, we're a little bit oversized, but it's about 20 inches this way. All right, so I think what I'm gonna do is we'll set it up 20 inches here like this, and then I'll just mix and match some of these thin pieces to make it interesting, you know. We'll put some oak on the ends, so something like this. Okay, so we got something set up like this. Looks all right, doesn't look half bad. It's very interesting looking. So I think once we get everything stained gray, it'll kind of take the different tones out. So you got more like a red tone here and a, you know, gray and yellow over here. So. Got our panels glued up. We're gonna go ahead and cut them on our track saw. What do you see? Oh, butterflies? Do you like butterflies? You ready to go get some paint? You gonna help Daddy pick out some paint? Huh? You gonna help Daddy pick out some paint? All right, let's go. We did, and what else did we get? And what did Daddy have in his hand? Paint. All right, let's go to the car. All right. Yep. Get our spray on. I'm using this Rust-Oleum primer. It says Universal Bonding Primer because I don't know what this sticker stuff is, but hopefully this will bond to it. So we're gonna get this sprayed on there so we can prep for our color coat.
That hit the spot.
I shall finish the game, Doc.
Get our spray on. Alright guys, so in my last video, when we made that, we used some pallet wood and we made that other table. The reason why I called it a fail, if you remember from the beginning of this video, is because I think it sold on eBay. The winning bid was like 215 bucks, something like that. So we didn't even break even because the cost of the legs plus the finish, I think was like right around 200 bucks. So we didn't even make any money on that one. So this one, we did something different. Hopefully we can pop this thing back up on Facebook Marketplace or eBay or something like that, and we can make some quick bucks. But I did want to keep it actually at my house for a little bit because I think it's really dope. Plus, I want to try out this new finish, the Titan finish, and make sure it's as strong as they say it is. So we're gonna put it to the test because I have 3 children, 3 and under, and they really abuse our stuff. This table here, it looks like a chest. That's because there's storage inside the bottom. Plus, as you saw, we made a little tray. The tray is awesome for the remote, for some snacks, for some anything that you want in there, any other items that you might want to conceal. But under that tray, you can put blankets and other larger items that you might want to conceal, if you know what I mean. So this thing is pretty awesome, has tons of uses. If you guys like this video, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and you can click one of these videos over here. Guys, thank you for watching, and as always, thanks for hanging out with us.